There are 5 strange facts about space that you won't learn anywhere else. And by the end of this video, you'll be glad you stayed until the very end to hear them all. No. 5 is one of the most famous and well-documented strange occurrences in space. While astronauts were working on the International Space Station, they reported seeing a mysterious green glowing object floating past their windows. There have been many explanations for this sighting, but we may never know for sure what it was. Some believe it could have been a piece of space junk, while others believe it was a visit from an extraterrestrial craft. The official NASA explanation is that it was a reflection of light off of a solar panel, which makes sense, considering the astronauts were working on a highly reflective surface at the time. However, there have also been reports of similar sightings by astronauts on other space stations, which makes this explanation less likely. Whatever the truth may be, this mysterious green glowing object will continue to fascinate space lovers for years to come. Number 4 is truly mind-boggling. In 2017, scientists at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory were analyzing data from the Voyager 1 spacecraft when they received a signal that should have been possible. The signal was coming from the craft's attitude, articulation, and control system, which hadn't been sending signals for years. Not only that, but the signal was perfectly legible. It read heartbeat. This was especially strange because Voyager 1 had long since gone silent. Scientists had actually declared it to be in safe mode back in 2014, when its power levels dropped too low to send back any useful data. So why was the spacecraft suddenly sending out a signal? And how did it manage to spell out the word heartbeat? To this day, this strange occurrence remains unexplained. No. 3 is a bizarre phenomenon that has been witnessed multiple times in space. In 1991, an astronaut on the Space Shuttle Endeavour reported seeing a strange blue cloud in the distance. At first, he thought it was a cloud on Earth, but then he realized that it couldn't possibly be. He described it as looking like a big blue balloon. This strange blue cloud was later seen again in 2005 by the crew of the International Space Station. Again, it looked like a giant blue balloon floating through space. But what exactly is it? One theory is that these blue clouds are actually methane lakes that have been blown up into the atmosphere of Saturn's moon, Titan. No. 2 is a strange and mysterious occurrence that has left scientists baffled. Back in 1967, the astronauts aboard the Gemini 12 mission were preparing to dock with the Apollo Soyuz. As they were doing so, they noticed a strange object floating towards them. The object appeared to be a silvery color and was roughly the size of a football. It was spinning as it approached the spacecraft, and even though the astronauts tried to intercept it, it managed to escape their grasp. Could this have been a case of alien contact? Or was there another explanation for what the astronauts saw that day? We may never know for sure. And finally, number 1 is a strange and mysterious phenomenon that has been witnessed multiple times in space. While observing the surface of Mars, astronomers noticed something strange. It looked like a giant face staring back at them. The face was etched into the surface of the planet, and it was huge. Subscribe for more crazy and horrifying space facts.